Welcome to MarineMax at Silver Spring Marine in Wakefield, Rhode Island. My name is Keith Abel, and I am your Boston Whaler specialist in all of New England. I'd like to show you the 17 Dauntless Boston Whaler 2019. These boats are great for your cruising, water sports, fishing. You could trailer the boat with ease, beach the boat. This boat's equipped with the split bow rail, the bow cushion. We do have a cooler with a cooler seat cushion. There's some nice storage underneath the console. As we spin around to the helm station, we do have a nice leather wrapped steering wheel, fusion stereo, compass. You also have a flip-flopping seat. There's also two jump seats that pop up in the rear. And this boat's powered with a 115 four-stroke Mercury engine with a stainless steel prop. It also comes with a trailer. For more information on the 17 Dauntless Boston Whaler 2019, please call Keith Abel at 203-996-2599. Thank you, and see you on the water.